All right, we're excited. All right, we are here at a Tripsdrill in Germany, and this is a brand new Vekoma. What do they call it? A suspended thrill coaster.
Oh, look at it when it does.
Oh man! All right.
No.
I know we're so free.
The bird. Oh God! Sorry, Mr. Bird.
All right, here we go, guys. Oh my God! Whee! Oh, it is so smooth. Whee! I love it. Oh, here we go. Whee! We got airtime. Woo! Oh! Woo! Oh man, this is great. Woo! Whee! How you doing over there? Oh, I love it. Oh man! Oh, in the trench! Whee! Oh! And into the brakes.
Oh my gosh!
That was awesome! I love it! New Vekoma rides kick ass! I love it! Are you a Vekoma fangirl?
I'm a big Vekoma fan.
I'm a Vekoma fangirl also. Oh my God! It's Dipper! Dipper the rabbit is here! Woo! How was it, guys? Oh man, that was amazing! All right, here we go! All right, I love the little themed section in here.
And these trains are adorable.
They really are. All right, more roller coasters need dark ride sections.
U.S. parks, take note.
Oh,
something's
oh
gonna happen.
crap! We just went upside down in the dark. We are launching. Oh my God! Whee! Oh! Woo! Oh man! That was some hang time.
Oh yeah.
Oh! Woo! Oh man! Oh! All right, here we go. Straight bit, straight bit, straight bit, straight bit. Oh! Let's see what happens here. Whee! Oh man! And we're coming into the flippy upside down bit. Into the tunnel! Oh! Flipping out of the tunnel! Woo! Oh! How was that, everybody? Oh man, that was so much fun! All right, here we go, guys. Are you ready for Mammut?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Wooden roller coaster with a little drop right out of the station. And I love the little dark ride sections. This is great. Oh man. Here we go. Alarm! Alarm! Oh no! Whee! Oh, and music on the lift. How is it that this roller coaster in the middle of nowhere in Germany is better themed than 99% of all the wooden roller coasters in America? America, shame on you. Get better theming on your damn roller coasters. More bugs on roller coasters. All right, here we go, guys. Get ready. Whoa! Whee! Oh! And let's see. Woo! Yay! Oh!
It's like smooth jostling.
Yeah! Whee! Oh! And here we go! Yay! Hooray! Woo! Oh, smile for the camera! Whee!
Oh, he's working on the camera.
Oh!
Oh.
And here we go into the tunnel! Yay! Oh! We got misted in the tunnel! Woo! Are you excited about this? Do you know how to pronounce this ride?
No.
I believe it's called Sing Sao. Is that to Sink to Sao?
Yeah.
I was pretty close with Sing Sao. Gesink to Sao. Can you say that, child? Yay, she did it. She pronounced the name of the roller coaster. You know German now. You're awesome. right, here we go. Get ready. Oh! Mouse Plus.
Mouse Plus.
Mouse Plus. Yay! Oh, I'm gonna squish you. Oh! Oh! Whee! Ready? Mouse Plus. Oh! What does that say? Oh God! Oh man! Oh! Oh God! Oh! Mouse Plus. Whee! All right, here we go.
God.
It's the Bunny Hills. Get ready. Woo! Oh! Whee! Oh! It's like a nice garden. Woo! Mouse Plus! Oh! Oh man! It is twisty. Mouse Plus! Woo! Oh, how was that?
Very Mouse Plus.
Mouse Plus! All right. All right, we're here riding the family boomerang coaster at Tripsdrill, and you love going backwards, right?
No, I do not. Oh, I'm falling out.
I do love how it's integrated in with the other coaster. It's really cool. Oh, and there's the awesome drop tower over there.
Yay, awesome drop tower.
Oh my God! Oh, I was not ready for that. Oh, here we go! Woo! Oh! Whee! Oh man! Through the other coaster. Woo! And here we go. Through the house. Hello, house. Oh, and backwards through the house. Oh, back through the coaster again.
Backwards, guys.
Your favorite thing, Alyssa, going backwards on roller coasters. How's the nauseous level?
Let's get in there.
Yay!
Alright.
Don't get sick on me. Yay!
Yeah.
Still better than a regular boomerang.
Yes, fun.
Hooray, we did it! Family boomerang for the win! Woo! See you later! All right, we are on the little kitty coaster. Actually, it's not even kitty, it's family, but we've got like a little bug with an antenna up here. He's super cute. I want a stuffed animal of him, or maybe 6. All right, guys, here we go. Get ready. We are going through the trees, literally. Whee! Oh, man. Oh, God, I am ducking from these trees. This is made for children, not people my size, obviously. Oh, here we go. Oh! Woo! Oh, hello, fountain. Oh, man. Whee! Oh! It's a nice little roller coaster. It's gentle. It's fun. And we like it. And here we come back into the station. Oh! TPR, give me some excitement! All right, ready for round number 2. Hands up, everybody! Don't hit the trees! Oh, man! Oh, crap, I got a duck! I love that I can see everybody back there. Woo! Oh! Here we go! Oh, man!
I feel so dirty.
You are dirty. All right! How was that ride, everybody? And we went 3 times!
So far.
Who is ready for ride number 3? All right, here we go. Oh man, my arm's already sore today. Whee! Oh! 3rd ride on the cute little bug antenna coaster. Woo! Oh man. Oh, this is fun. I like it. is the #1 kiddie coaster here at Tripsdrill, obviously. And we're back in the station.